Hello. I am Grandma Lois, and I would like to read you one of my stories. The title of this story is Grandma Takes a Walk in the Rain. Grandma awakes and pulls back the curtains. It is raining. She looks at the bushes. Oh, good. It's not windy, she thinks, since the bushes are not waving at each other. I'll take a walk with my big umbrella. Quickly, she eats her oatmeal and puts on her jacket with the hood. She puts on her mask and pulls on her black boots. Her umbrella is watching and seems eager to show itself off. Grandma pats it and picks it up. Out the door she goes and loosens the latch of the umbrella. Zoom! Outspread the beautiful colors. Red, yellow, green, purple, blue. Thinks Grandma. I do feel like a peacock. She walks past apartment windows. Perhaps the people will see me when they are eating their breakfast. She tilts the umbrella a little bit so people can enjoy the bright colors. These colors will brighten up their rainy day, she thinks. Grandma walks past the main entrance. Workers are coming to work. They must all go in through this one entrance and have their temperatures taken and answer some questions before they start working. This is to save other people from the virus. Grandma tilts the umbrella the other way so they can enjoy the rainbow colors and not her face. Grandma wants to be a little mysterious. Down the sidewalk she goes. A baby rabbit watches her, but runs away and hides when Grandma twirls her umbrella for fun. 3 robins are on the grass. It looks as if they are seriously discussing some subject. Suddenly, one robin jumps up and down again and again, like some dancers do in Africa. Yes, a show-off, just like me and my umbrella, Grandma thinks. Well, it's my umbrella that likes to be a show-off. Grandma looks down and notices earthworms crawling on the sidewalk. They come up out of the ground because it is raining. Now they really shouldn't be on the sidewalk, since they may be stepped on or snatched up for breakfast by a robin. Carefully, Grandma picks up the earthworms and puts them back on the grass so they can wiggle back down into the ground. She feels good for helping them. Grandma goes back up the stairs to her apartment, puts the key in the lock, and opens the door. Perhaps Grandpa will be awake now, she thinks. She puts her umbrella down, wide open, so it can dry out. Grandpa is still sleeping. What a sleepyhead. Grandma sings and makes a lot of noise as she gets breakfast ready for him. I hope you like this story of Grandma walking in the rain, and I hope you will want to hear other stories of Grandma's walks. Thank you for listening.